Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to the Peak District with little Barnaby and Kane. He's currently driving at the minute, and we're going to meet some of our friends when we get there. We're going to go to Treak Cavern, which is kind of like some caves, and there's a few walks around there, and that's in the Castleton part of the Peak District. We're going to go and explore the caves and go for some walks around there. They do group tours at the minute where there's 10 people per time slot, and it's an audio tour, so you download the app on your phone, and then when you get there there's kind of like Bluetooth spots which connects to your device and it tells you a bit about it. After that, I think we're going to go for a little walk and then go to a restaurant for some food, but we shall take you along for the day. We're walking up the very steep hill up towards the cavern, and just have a look, it's starting to rain. We're currently on the Cavern tour, and there's a lot of steps and steep things, and it's a bit slippy, so if you come, make sure you wear some sensible shoes. Little Barnaby's enjoying himself. He shook his head then and said no.
I don't know what to do.
So we've just come out of the caves and it's still raining. The caves didn't take us as long as it was supposed to. Maybe we didn't do it right, but I feel like we did it in about 15 minutes rather than an hour. We're just having a look at the views at the minute and going to go for a little walk around, but I feel like we're definitely going to end up getting wet. Hello! Sheepy! Hello? No, come back! Sheep! So we've decided that we are going to walk to the pub because we have our table reservation at 1, and it's about a 16-20 minute walk, so we're going to do that. And just like that, it's absolutely pouring it down again. But there's so many sheep. So we've just arrived at the pub, which is behind me, but we're having a look in a traditional sweet shop at the minute, and then we're going to give Barnaby a dry because he's pretty soggy. So we've just finished our lunch and now we're going for a little bit of a walk. The sun has come out, it's pretty glorious now, although I'm warm in this jacket. Yeah, we're just going to go for a little bit of a walk. Barnaby's dried it off so he can have a run again and everyone's behind us. So yeah. plan is we're going to go and walk up that hill. Whether or not we make it is a completely different matter. Got a bit warm now, so I've taken off my Ariat jacket, but I'm still so glad that I wore my Dewberry boots because they've come in so helpful with the wet weather and also the mucky ground. Let's go, Barnaby. Oh, God, this is steep. Made it. God, I'm out of breath. The views are cooler.
Barnaby, you tired? Well, I hate carrying it, Barnaby.
He's pulling me up. Well, I thought going up was really hard, but coming down was 10 times harder. It got really windy up at the top, and when we tried coming down it was like blowing us all over the place, and I ended up like slipping I ended up slipping like a good couple of meters down the hill, so I'm pretty sure I'm covered in mud, but off we go.
Here we are. Oh! Olé!
So we've got back in the car now because we saw a really cool road that Kane wants to take his car down. So we're going to go do that. And whilst he's driving, I'm going to munch on these. So Igor and Francesca are from Italy, but they've moved over here. And you can't get these in the UK anywhere. I think I saw them on Amazon, but they were like £15 for one bag. And they are incredible. They're basically just like biscuits with Nutella in. And they're so good. You can really see how steep where we walked is because it's just this mountain here. Well, I think it's classed as a mountain, hill thing. Either way, it was really steep and so windy up on the top. I don't think we actually made it all the way up either, but we got pretty far up it and it was just so windy. And then, like I mentioned earlier, when we was coming down, it was just awful, and I think every one of us fell down at least once. So yeah, we're gonna go and find this road and go for a drive. I have made it home. I'm just in my car now because I'm gonna go bring the horses in. It's just gone 7:30, so it's been a really long day. The weather's certainly been a little bit interesting, but that's what you get for living in Britain, I suppose. I hope you guys enjoyed today because I certainly did, and so did everyone else. Barnaby is absolutely shattered now. He slept the whole way home, and I imagine he's gonna sleep for the rest of the day too. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Again, thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye!